Tell you about a great personality who changed life of many Adivasi, a tribal leader and a freedom fighter who fought against British. I am talking about Tilka Manjhi. Life. Tilka Manjhi was a tribal leader from a central community of a Chota Nagpur Hills. He also known as Jebra Pahadia. Rebellion. In 1784, Tilka led a central Hul, a rebellion against British. The rebellion began after Tilka looted East India Company's treasury and gave money to poor. Action. Tilka organized the Adivasi into an army and attacked the British and their allies. Impact. Tilka's action inspired many other tribes to join rebellion. His sacrifice inspired many youth of country to struggle. Legacy. Bhagalpur University in Bihar is named after Manjhi, Tilka Manjhi. Now I want to end my special program with the slogan of Tilka Manjhi, that earth is ours. Thank you.